What's up, guys? Mk3 vlogs. This will be a Vr6 controversial video. New vlog, kind of a Mk3 Jetta project update, and the first of our Mk3 Parts Room. Do a little mini series with that, like I said in the last video. So a little background. My Jetta project's been kind of on the back burner for quite some time now, and it's been in storage for a couple of years, and for quite a while now I haven't really knew which way I wanted to go with the build. And originally it was supposed to be Vr6 turbo, and I've recently closed the deal on the turbo kit through a private sale, and so in the next couple of videos I'm going to be showing the new direction that we're going with the Vr6 project, and I'm going to show you kind of what could have been. So this is why we call it the Mk3 Parts Room. I've had this for some years now. It's a stage 3 kinetics. A 3-inch downpipe kinetics manifold, 4-inch mass airflow, oil pan with the plug, gaskets, all the hardware. Front mount intercooler, metal head gasket, all the couplers for the intercooler pipes, .42 injectors, Mk3 plugs, turbo insulation blanket, keep the heat down, 60 trim, precision turbo, 38mm tile wastegate, that's precision, and then the 38mm tile made in the good old USA. And then 3-inch downpipe, recirc on the wastegate. That's what that is. So that was just sold. And in the next video, maybe I can squeeze it into this video, I'll show you the new direction that I'm going with the car. It's going to be a little controversial, but you guys can leave your thoughts in the comments. Two big boxes of turbo stuff for this box. I imported this from Germany, January of 2020, before the pandemic hit. So this is more of the restoration route, I would say. Like I said, I imported this from Stuttgart, Germany in January of 2020. It's an original OBD2, which is what I wanted, and that's reason number one. I didn't want OBD1 that was modified, so I wanted chrome. And I wanted logoless. All the hardware is sorted. All the paperwork, including the original pamphlet, so that's pretty cool. The only thing that is missing is the original piggyback ECU. For those that don't know, this was originally produced by Volkswagen Motorsports. and it was offered on the Corrado in Japan, I believe, and there was only 500 VSRs made. Schrick bought the patent, and they started producing them along with another manufacturer that I can't think of off the top of my head right now. And they started producing them, pretty rare part, especially with the OBD2. And all the hardware has been Loctited. It has all the accessories except for the piggyback ECU. It has a flap inside that opens with a RPM switch. So we'll be using generic one until I locate a original. So we're going to pair that with a United Motorsports 268 chip and some matching cams. So leave your comments in the comment section. A little different than the turbo kit, half the horsepower as the turbo kit. Leave it in the comments. What do you think? Naturally aspirated Vr6 sound or Vr6t sound? What are you into?